In the recent video, a lot of requests for the Batman adjustment, and that's exactly what I'm gonna tell you. How to roll the strikes when Batman one side needs adjustment. So here we are exactly on the Batman strategy. As you know, Batman is a combination of two spreads, one on the call side, one on the put side. Here I've longed 100 rupee approximately call and shorted 60, same on the call and the put, and this is how it looks. Batman, this is really getting a lot much popular. But when market starts to trend, then it requires some kind of an adjustment. Now I'm moving ahead in a simulator, as you can see, 3rd of October, and I've picked the month where market really moved because I got to teach you the adjustments of it. Now here we are, few days into the trade, and obviously the trade is working in our favor so far, but it's really caught up some kind of a trend. I want to really focus on the adjustment part because this is the part which really matters. Which leg to touch, which leg to roll, with how much quantity, exactly when and where. So full attention is required here and not to be, rushed into the video. And now what we see is definitely, as you can see, market from here come over here around the peak, and naturally the trade requires some kind of an adjustment now. So what the common usual adjustment which is very popular, which we are not going to do, is that a lot of people try to move their put side towards where the market is going. That is very lethal. It can be really dangerous if market gives any kind of a gap down. That is something not really advisable. We're not going to do. What we are going to do is, number one, we look to completely square off the put side. Why? Because put side, naturally, it's a credit. So market has moved up. Put side, we're going to completely take off the table. And then we will also square off this call, which is giving us the max loss. Let me just do that quickly, and I want to show you this. Because if you know how to create the Batman, but you do not know how to adjust it properly, you do not own the strategy. Let's do that now. So here we are, and the put side. Naturally, the opposite side is completely exit. It's trading at 10.2, obviously. And now this is trading at 8.05, and here we exit this as well. And now this step is we're going to do very differently, is that the call side which we have, 58 call, which is trading at 202, this is giving us the maximum damage. This we are removing it. This is going off the table. This is trading at 202.85, so we are squaring it off, 202.85. This is off the table now. And now the only option remains which is open at the moment is the call which we bought originally. So out of the 4 legs, 3 legs are exit because it's requiring adjustment. Only the call remains. Now we're gonna adjust it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move to the next series, which is November in this situation. This is the monthly series where we are rolling to. So naturally we're gonna load the November option chain and November monthly, which is 25th, and we press it and we open option chain. Let's go to the option chain. This is the part where you must focus because strategy banana आसान है, strategy को बचाना एक skill है. So here we are, and what do we see? Market has moved up and we go out of the money, right? So the Nifty has moved up, and naturally we've got to roll our strike, and we got to roll our strike in the next series. And in this situation, we are picking 26,200 because it's slightly out of the money, and we sell this. And let me show you in terms of position how it looks. As you can see, this is the new position which we introduced. This is the next series, and we sold 109 option because naturally, if you could see that the current price was 202, so probably half of it. And let's see how it looks like on the payoff. And this is how it looks like. And if I change the payoff to November, and this is how it looks. As you know, payoff is quite dynamic. It keeps on changing, etc. Now, this is the leg which we have at the moment, which we added. This is a dynamic leg. So if market continue to move up, we can probably hold it, or we can move along with the market. Let me just go ahead and I'll show you this properly. If I just scroll down a bit, yes, and let me just show you this. And if I go ahead, and what do you see? Market is trending right now, and the line is flat, as you can see. Now here, the trade is moving, and this call, which is in the money, this is really deep in the money because we long 25,200 call. Market is 25,886, roughly 25,900. So that is what, and one day before the expiry, what you see is that the trade repair is done because we roll the call option to the next month option with the same series, not increasing our margin a lot because we squared off the put side and utilized that margin in creating a new position in the next series. This is how the rolling is done exactly. Now, in the past video, I've taught you how to create the Batman with a wide range of 5,000 points. But the adjustment was not discussed in terms of rolling. Now, this is one kind of rolling which I've shown you in the video. There can be many types of rolling, exactly how much to roll, which premium to target, can you roll to the next series. If market come down after you're rolling, then exactly do you need to bring down the calls? Those are the technicalities which I can still make one more part of it. But if you really want to learn the complete rule based version of strategy like this, the detail are in pinned comment. Now let's talk about important points which I must discuss with you. Point number one is it's prudent to keep the overall trade as sell. If you learned the Batman, but if you just know how to create and you just know one adjustment and you do not know all the adjustment and which adjustment to do when exactly, in that situation, if you do not know fully yet, then it's much smarter to keep an overall hard exit. Obviously, you can look forward to adjust your trade. Probably you can use the method which I shown in the video if you like to, but it's still important to keep the overall stop loss in the trade, especially if market really go down and your put side in which you adjust it. That is important. Number two, the side which we roll is not fixed. We can move that along with the market. So it's very easy. Basically, I'm going to tell you in a simple way. What we can do is we made a position in October. The market moved up. We squared off 3 legs out of 4. Simple. We moved to November. Right now, again, market move up. We can move from November to December. Remember, because we are not touching the buying leg, that means that buying leg is getting deeper in the money. That's the reason which we used in this. That's the exact reason why I tell you, hit and trial way of trading one must completely avoid. It's important to learn the exact step-by-step adjustment which to be done when the practice of it. I'm sure you must have learned a new way of adjustment of rolling, especially Batman strategy, which is gaining a lot of popularity. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the very best. Take care, signing off. Bye-bye.